Where is it? It has to be around here somewhere. My lucky ball couldn't have just vanished. I should have never taken it out of the house. But no, I just had to show it off how shiny it was. And now, it's gone. Could that be it? Oh, that's not my lucky ball. It's just a rock. Maybe my lucky ball is gone forever. Oh, but there's a cave. Maybe it rolled in there. Or maybe I should just go home and eat a snack. But then I'll never know. Fine. Wow. This cave is way bigger on the inside. It's getting super dark in here. Hello? Ooh, an echo. That's kind of cool. I like snacks.
Me too.
Hello?
Hello.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Okay, if you're a scary cave monster, just know I'm very chewy and not delicious. Oh. You're not a scary monster. You're just a tiny little shock puppet.
I've been here a long time. I got lost.
Oh. That must have been really scary.
Well, I wasn't always lost. I had a best friend, a kid who loved me. We played all the time until one day we went on an adventure. They brought me to the forest, pretending we were explorers. But when it got dark, they forgot about me here. And they never came back.
And you've been waiting here ever since?
At first, I thought they'd come back. Then, I lost track on how long I've been here. I just started talking to the cave. The echoes kept me company. They remembered me, even when no one else did.
Well, I hear you now. And you don't have to stay here anymore. Come on, I'll help you find your way out.
But what if I don't belong anywhere?
Are you kidding? I've been looking for a snack buddy. And you seem cool. So, do you like snacks?
I love snacks.
Cool. Come on, let's get out of here.
And we can play with this cool ball I found.
My lucky ball! Wow, this is the best day ever. I got my ball back, And I got a new friend.
And I finally found someone who came back for me.